What's up, guys? Gary here. Today we're going to be talking about a problem that I had, and we're going to go straight into this video because I hate when I look up something online and I have to sift through a video to find the answers I'm looking for. So without further ado, to the video. Firstly, we're going to be talking about why you're getting a hissing noise on your recording. Secondly, we're going to be talking about your options on how you can remove the hissing noise. And third, we're going to be talking about, if you take one of the options that I'm going to tell you, how you can actually deal with the hissing noise and what you're going to need. So firstly, I'm going to explain to you why you're getting the hissing noise. So the hissing noise is coming out from your camera. I am using a Nikon D5300, which is a crop sensor camera. And so this camera actually is a decent quality camera. People say you can't vlog on it, but I would say you can. As you could tell, you slap some really good glass on it, some juicy, nice glass, which I happen to have because of my photography career. So let's say you take something like this, which is a full frame camera, and you decide, I want to start a vlog, or I want to start YouTube videos, and I'm going to start using my camera equipment, which is great, works. What you're going to want to take into consideration is the fact that these cameras actually have horrible audio processing. So you're going to have to buy something like a Rode mic. What's even worse is when you buy the Rode mic, and so you're going to realize that the Rode mic is going to help, but the problem is going to be that it's going to give you hissing noise and background like right? And that's going to really piss you off and not going to give you the results that you wanted. So now the second thing, which I'm going to get into, is the options that you have. First option would be, I would say, is to get a VideoMic Pro. Apparently those have better noise cancellations, and apparently that hissing sound is electric currents going through the circuitry. So your second option is going to be to get a better camera that has better audio processing. And that's very expensive, and that is actually not the option I went with. What I went with, which is going to be the third option, is going to be picking up one of these. And this isn't it. You're going to pick up one of these, which is a converter, and you're going to do audio splicing. I think that's what it's called. Audio splicing is what I read online. You're going to be taking the Rode mic, and you're actually not going to be connecting it to the video camera. You're going to be connecting it to the computer or an external recorder. You're going to be taking that out and add that to your video in post. So what you're going to need if you're going to use this third option, first of all, let me recap the three options for you. First option is going to be getting the Rode VideoMic Pro, which is, I think, $50 more expensive than what I have, which is the Rode VideoMic, which retails for about $199 US. So what you actually can do, and sorry guys if I don't look into the camera, what you actually can do is, so you can buy the VideoMic. You can get a camera with a better audio processing, which I think cameras like the Sony A7 III does, or all the Sony A7 line, they do tremendous audio processing, and that's just, problem solved right there. And you got a great camera, you got great resolution, and you got great audio. So that's a little bit too expensive for me, not because, well, aside from the fact that I can't afford it, not because I didn't want to buy the camera, but I already invested in glass and Nikon, and I feel like if you can find a solution other than just rebuilding your gear and starting from scratch and investing tons of money, you should probably do it, which brings us to solution number 3. I was going to go like this, but I realized that's just going to block the light from my face, and that's going to be stupid, and it's gonna kill the effect of the video that most people want to have. So solution number 3 is a separate solution that I had to look for, was to attach the Rode mic to the computer, and I wasn't going to buy a separate recorder to later splice. I wanted to record straight to my computer, so that's what I was going to do. And the way I did that was I tried to plug it in, and it didn't work. Believe it or not, it didn't work, and it's really annoying. So what I did was I looked up solutions, and the solutions were to buy one of these. So the Rode mic comes in TRS form, which is what your camera accepts for an external mic. So TRS is plugged like this, but it only has 2 lines, which Rode mics have. And this is the converter, which turns the 2 lines into 3 lines, which is, the 3 lines is called a TRRS. So the thing with TRRS is this is what your Mac or computer recognizes. So the thing is, I'll tell you, I bought this, and this was a really big disaster for me for a couple of reasons. A, it didn't work. B, I found out how it was going to work, if I was going to make it work, and it included other components that I had to buy. That wasn't going to work out for me. So I actually looked up another solution, which was buying one of these. So this is a separate TRS to TRRS adapter that Rode sells, and you could pick this up for about $15 US. And that is what solved the audio problem for me. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please like, please subscribe. That would totally make me happy, because I am a new YouTuber and I am trying to really get good content for you guys. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe like I said before. And yeah, have an amazing day. Peace.